today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hairs, but look at this drawstring technology that they have. This is what they have installed to make sure that the wig can fit any size head and it stays snug, it stays in place. And the most important thing about this unit, guys, is that it's a glueless wig. No glue needed at all. The fact that it's a 13x4, they did leave these bye-bye slip little tabs for the ear tab section that you can just simply slide off, and that keeps your ear tab section in place. No glue needed whatsoever. So very beginner friendly. I'm going to start working on the wig. So as I was saying, November is the month to get the biggest discounts from Nadula Hair. So go ahead and shop, get your little everyday wigs, you're going out wigs. This one can be parted to the left, to the right. You can accomplish so many different styles. Now the link to the unit will be in the description of the video, so go ahead and click on that. And also, this is how I snug the drawstring. I just pull it, secure it, and tug it right under, and that's it. Now you can get 20% off their website by using code YTB, and this code is valid until November 30th. So shop your wigs, and especially with the holiday season coming up, you know that Black Friday is the biggest sale event of the year. So you can get that 20% off by using the code YTB. Now all I'm doing is using a little foam. I'm going to tie that down just so that it stays in place. No glue, no gel, and nothing like that at all. And then I'm just going to be adding in some curls into the units. I'm just looking at the front here where the curtain bangs are, and I'm just making sure that everything is good with that. Then I'm going to use my wax stick and my comb, my hot comb, to comb that down, making sure that the front is flat. And then I'm going to be adding in my curls to the unit, guys. Now this is a wig that you can wear straight out of the package. So you have your parties coming up for December, you have your Christmas dinners, all of that. This is the wig for you. So let me go ahead and add in some curls into this, and then we can just wrap up this installation, because again, very quick, very easy. It does not take much work at all. And again, that code is YTB. This is their Black Friday deal, 20% off, and this is valid up until November 30. So click the link in the description, guys. Now that I've curled the unit, let's go ahead and look at the lace. And of course, seamless, no glue, no spray at all, just a little foaming lotion, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and straighten this part. It did come pre-parted, as you would have seen. The plucking makes the unit look so realistic, so I love the parting space. It looks like it's growing from my head, and I just part my hair just as I did here. You see how easily I could just part that out. But that's it for the installation of the unit, guys. It's a straight from the pack to your head type of unit. No work needed, no work necessary at all. I like to brighten the parting space with my concealer, and so that's what I am doing here. And this is the final look, guys. Very beautiful. I love the curls, I love the curtain bangs. I also love that it's a pre-everything done wig, so it doesn't take much work at all. It's so bouncy, so flowy, and just a beautiful unit overall. So the link to this wig will be in the description. Please go ahead, check it out, click that link. Make sure you're using code YTB to get 20% off your order from Nadula hair. So if you're not a wig girly, if this is your first wig or you're looking into getting a wig for the holiday, this is the one for you. Very quick to install, very easy, not much work, and you can play around with the styles. So you know my vibe, I love a half up half down. So look how quickly I can just transform this unit into a whole another look. So you can play around and have fun with this unit. So thank you, Nadula, for sending this unit over. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.